Okay, continue on. We have assumption and we have left. Well, that makes it easy. We have assumption, we have right. Cases, so we should apply to use that. We have apply. Okay. We have assumption, cases left and right. Okay. Assumption, cases, constructor, left and right. Those cases of each. We don't have apply. Constructor, left, assumption, left, assumption, QVR, cases, constructor, right, assumption, right, assumption. Okay. 7 of 8. Cases H, cases right, P and Q, so this is going to be left, constructor, assumption, assumption, this is going to be right, okay. Ah, we get apply back, this is nice. Do we have intro? We have intro as well. Apply H2, H1, and then OR down. Wait, what? Okay. That was quick. Moving on. Not false. We have assumption and intro. Intro, assumption. Not much we can do. Intro, with false limb, right? False dot limb to H. Oh, we don't have this. What? Oh, contradiction. Okay. Apply assumption intro. Intro. Apply A to H. Alright. Intro. Apply a dot right to a dot left. Okay. Intro. Apply H2 to H1, apply A. Set self-contradictory number 2. Intro. Apply H2A to A. Negation. Intro apply assumption. Not too much we can do. Apply H. Oh, this is just intro and then assumption. We ignored the P. Okay. Negated conjunction. Intro. Alright, we just ignored the other half. Implies a negation. Intro. Apply H to A dot left. This gives us not P. And then A dot right. Okay. Intro. Yeah. Let's actually name some of this stuff here. Q first, then P. Not. So intro. Actually, let's do this. Apply H. Intro, and then apply A1 to A. Right. Not tactics boss. Intro. Apply H. Intro. Apply A to A1. Okay. So now we are down to last level. Constructor assumption repeat. Okay. We also have cases. We don't have assumption. Damn it. Wait. Wait, we have apply. Do we have intro? Intro, apply, we want to apply H1. We need a Q, Q is this. what am I doing wrong? Wait, apply H1. Oh. Do you have control? We don't get a Q. Yeah, this one is just not fun. So I don't know what else to say. It's just not fun, and it's just going to be messy. And the solution is going to be very ugly, and it's just going to be a lot of brute force, and there's nothing elegant about it. But you have to remember, these are our limitations. So we don't have exact, we don't have have. So we cannot construct intermediate stuff. We don't have a rewrite, so we're just like manually slogging through all the rewrites. So, with all that said, let's get started on this horrible, no fun thing. We do the intro. Okay. This is good progress because this here is something that we can try to break down. Let's not try to do anything clever. Intro PQS. This one here, I don't know how to do this functionally, so we're just going to do this, and then we're going to apply h1.mp at a1. And now apply pqs.write at a1. Okay, we're making progress. Let's go here. We want to use this thing here somehow. Can we just control more stuff? Great. We want to use this. Great. Like, we're just going to intro a bunch of stuff, and we're going to get a contradiction somehow. It wants a Q. I think I should just intro this and see what happens. Like, I do not have intuitive understanding of this, it's just button mashing until he makes this work. Okay, I think I misread the conjunction order. Hey, why can I not apply A1? I can apply A1. Okay, at this point here, I should break apart A2. Again, I have no idea, like intuitively, what's... Yeah, like this is just button mashing. Okay, so now when we come down here, hang on, hang on, hang on. I feel like there's a contradiction here already, but it's just not clear. Right, so if you have P, we have Q or not R, and then we have R and P. Q or not R. Alright, I think this is, we use X falso. And now we're going to apply right. And then if we want this one here, I don't have. Alright, let's work through this again. So we have P, which means we have Q or not R. We have R or we have R or P. So we definitely have a not Q. So we have a not Q. Alright, this is what we should do. Cases left of P. Do we need to interrupt the P? Apply wait, what? I'm confused. Wait, this is just apply or dot L of R. We have an R. Okay, this one here we need to apply mh1.mp at R. Wait, this is other direction. So we're halfway done, which is good news. Can we just intro more than one of these? P, Q, not R. I cannot. Fine. Okay. Hey, we're making progress. Damn it, we need to break A1. Oh, we don't have to do this. This is apply or dot left of S. Oh, this is just apply H1 dot NPR of S. Okay. This, not elegant, but again, we're limited by all this stuff where we just cannot define intermediate stuff or rewrite. So it's just manually pushing all this through. Intro, rewrite, or associate at A. Rewrite and associate at A1. Apply H to A to A1. And what? Oh. Apply dot npr or dot np. Okay. We previously proved this problem, so we're just going to use the same approach because we know it works. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just finish this one here. This is going to be intro PQR Q. And then we're going to do a if.intro of H0 PQRQ and H1 PQRQ. I think this should do it. Intro. Okay. Now let's do H3 is going to be and then H4. And then have an H5. Okay, so let's do this one quickly. This is going to be by intro QPR. And then we're going to do exact if.intro H3 of QPR and H4 of QPR. And why is it not happy with what I just did? This is P to R, P and Q to R and Q, R and Q to P and Q. This is P and this should be R. Okay. And then we have to do this last one here. This is going to be intro PQR. No, this is not intro Q, this is just exact if.intro, H4 and H5. This should be H2, and this should be H3. This should be H2, and this should be H3. Okay, now we have to fill out intermediate stuff. This one here is what? This is intro QPR, RQ, P. Why is it already unhappy with me? Why are there these red dotted lines? Ah, we can't intro P. Okay, this is fine. Apply n.intro. So let's solve the Q first. RQ dot right. That should solve the Q. Okay. Now we need to get a P. P is going to be what? Have P equals QPR plus RQ dot right. This is if and only if we're going to do NPR. And we'll do RQ dot left. Okay. Let's copy and paste this and see how far it goes. QPR, this is going to be PQ. We probably need to get, what do we need to get? We need to get an R. Okay, so how do we get R? Wait, I can't believe that worked. Intro PQR, QR, and we have to get a P right. Okay, so this is going to be, we're going to do PQR.NPR and .intro RQ and left. Okay. We can do all of this. Let's call this P. Okay, everything worked. So again, not the most elegant of proof, but what we did here is that first we split this into two cases corresponding to H4 and H5, and then we split this in H0, H1, and we split this in H2, H3. And cool, this completes everything. So this is great.